Prior to implantation, all HeartMate 3 system components must be inspected and prepared according to the HeartMate 3 left ventricular assist system instructions for use. The equipment needed for implant includes the power module with a HeartMate touch communication system, a pair of fully charged 14-volt lithium-ion batteries and battery clips, a primary and backup implant kit, and a backup system controller. Please note that the HeartMate 3 tunneling set, unlock tool, and outflow pliers are optional. The tools are reusable and supplied non-sterile. They must be inspected, cleaned, and sterilized in accordance with the instructions provided in the packaging and hospital policy prior to use. During implant, the HeartMate 3 left ventricular assist device must be operated with the power module and the HeartMate touch communication system. Make sure the equipment, the power module with patient cable and HeartMate touch wireless adapter are set up and powered on. Ensure the HeartMate touch tablet is turned on and fully charged. It should be plugged into an outlet during the implant procedure. A backup system should be nearby if needed. Make sure that at least 2 batteries are fully charged in the battery charger and a pair of battery clips are readily available to facilitate patient transport from the OR. See the HeartMate 3 LVAS IFU for instructions on setup and operation. After confirming with the surgeon, open the implant kit and remove the device tracking registry form with product tracking labels. The serial numbers of all implanted components and the system controller should be recorded on the device tracking registry form using the stickers included in the envelope. Verify that the serial numbers on the device tracking stickers match the serial numbers on the respective product component boxes. The device registry tracking information must be sent to Abbott, either electronically or as a hard copy. The implant kit also contains one HeartMate 3 LVAD with a surgical accessory kit that includes an apical coring knife, an apical cuff, a skin coring punch, and a set of thread protectors. Also included is a modular cable, a sealed outflow graft with bend relief, a HeartMate 3 system controller with a non-sterile 11-volt lithium-ion system controller backup battery, and patient handbook. And a wearable accessories kit containing a system controller neck strap, belt attachment, and protection bag. A mini apical cuff, cuff holder, and coring tool are provided sterile as an alternative to the apical cuff and coring knife included in the implant kit.